Okay, just flipped our 63 Impala on its side. I'm gonna work on underneath of it. I'm gonna take and get rid of some of the undercoating, clean it up, get it down to some metal, or we can take and paint it. Rust-Oleum 415 white. Clean it up, make it look real nice. And set it down that black frame, it'll really set things off. Stainless steel exhaust is gonna look really nice under there. There's where we're at. This car is just super solid. There's like no rust on it at all. Been well undercoated and saved. You just don't find these Impalas like that. The floor pans are in good shape. The trunk pans are in good shape. These cars are notorious for the trunk pans rusting out in the center, and they usually have to replace them. But even the lower quarters are in good shape. All around the fenders. It's just a great solid old 63 Impala. It's hard to find this solid. It's not been patched up. This doesn't have one patch panel in it. Got her on her side. Woo. So we're gonna get her set down on that chassis over there. Here we be. We'll get started on taking undercoating off, cleaning it up. Okay, back with our Impala. Just finished cleaning the last section there, getting the undercoating off of it. Yeah, it's been a lengthy, messy job, but it has turned out really nice. You can see the shape of the metal on the bottom now, which is really great shape. Figure about a week and a half is what I have in getting all the undercoating off of it. Quite a job. But I like doing it that way versus sandblasting a lot better. This keeps the metal in good shape, doesn't distort it. Still have original primer on it. Just in incredibly good shape. That pan right there, trunk pan, that's where most of them rust out and have to be replaced. And the wheel wells in this thing are just immaculate. But our next step now is to turn it over, and I'm going to pour 15 the inside of it on the metal. And then I'll turn it back over, and we're going to paint the bottom of it white, which ought to look real nice up against our black drivetrain. So it is coming together. Got the undercoating removal process done. On to the next step.